So it's a pleasure to be here today with Patrick Twohig, who is about to graduate from Saba University School of Medicine. And we're here today to talk about his research project. Research, Literature Review and Analysis, or RLRA, is a key component of all of our students' education. And Patrick is one of the students who's actually taken it to the next level and just recently had his paper published. So Patrick, can you tell us about your project?
I decided to look at treatment of treatment-resistant depression for my topic. Having just finished third semester and studying psychiatry, I was at home over the break in between the two semesters and had read an article about a patient who had a very difficult experience in being treated for depression, had gone through multiple rounds of different medications, had tried a lot of different things that just ultimately didn't work, and then it ended up introducing the idea of using ketamine, which I had learned as a medication used mainly in anesthesia.
How did you find that the process worked? I mean, this is a one-on-one mentored process. I know that in the end you eventually co-authored your paper with your mentor, Von Huckfeld.
Yeah. No, it was great. I mean, I really enjoyed working on the paper with Dr. Huckfeld throughout. He was a great support from the start. Once the RLRA paper itself was finished and we were sort of considering the idea of sending it in for publication, he was really helpful in being able to kind of tailor the article to the journal's requirements.
So where are you headed? You're off to residency?
Yeah. So I matched into the internal medicine residency program at Case Western University, so I'll be there starting in July.
When you were off talking to people and doing residency interviews, and I'm sure you did many, did your RLRA topic or the idea that you were publishing a paper as a medical student actually come up in these conversations?
Definitely, yeah. I mean, any program or individual that I interviewed with viewed being able to be engaged in scholarly activity and having research experience was definitely advantageous as an applicant. Especially a lot of programs really like their residents to be engaged in research, whether it's doing reviews like the RLRA or being involved in case reviews and things like that.
So what was the impact of this RLRA project? I mean, you're graduating from medical school, going on to residency. Did this project play a role in moving forward?
Certainly, yeah. I think that being able to search through the literature and being able to adequately execute a literature review is pertinent to being able to conduct any type of research. And I think that moving forward, that's definitely something I'd like to do in my career, and having the experience that I had in the RLRA paper will definitely help with that. So
great.